Hi, everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Annual Product Quality Reviews. What is APQR? An annual product quality review is a systematic evaluation of a product's quality over a specific period, usually a year. It's a critical component of any quality management system. Why is APQR important? APQRs are essential for several reasons: identifying trends and patterns in product quality, detecting potential issues early on, preventing product recalls and customer complaints, continually improving product quality, meeting regulatory requirements. Key components of an APQR. A typical APQR includes product overview, quality objectives and targets, review of product specifications and test methods, analysis of process capability and performance, evaluation of stability data, review of customer complaints and field failures, corrective and preventive actions, CAPAs, summary and recommendations. Conducting an effective APQR. Here are some tips for conducting a successful APQR. Involve cross-functional teams, use data-driven analysis, focus on root cause analysis, set clear objectives and timelines, document findings and recommendations. APQR tools and software. Several software tools and platforms can help streamline the APQR process. We'll briefly explore some popular options and their features. Let's explore a few popular options. Quality management systems. These comprehensive platforms often include APQR modules. They centralize quality data, automate workflows, and generate reports. Examples include: mention popular QMS software like ISO Tools, Master Control, or Qualities. Data analytics and visualization tools. Software like Tableau, Power BI, or even Excel can be used to analyze quality data, identify trends, and create visually appealing reports. Statistical process control software. Tools like Minitab or JMP can help analyze process capability and identify areas for improvement. Specialized APQR software. Some companies offer dedicated APQR software with features tailored to specific industries or product types. By leveraging the right software tools, you can enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your APQR process. Conclusion: APQRs are a vital part of any organization committed to product excellence. By following best practices and utilizing appropriate tools, you can effectively conduct APQRs and drive continuous improvement. Thanks for watching. If you like the information, then like, share and subscribe.